What up, Shoefly fam? Welcome to another episode of Shoeflytv. This is your boy T, aka Shaddam Hussein. Today we got another review for you. We got the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian. So of course I'm a little bit late, but this shoe came out on August 31st. I was not able to obtain the sneaker on release day because it sold out. I tried on sneakers. I did hella raffles. I ended up not winning, but they had a restock that came on Finish Line on I think the following Tuesday. And I went through, of course the little buffering thing was going, but I was able to get through, cart them, and purchase them, and here we have them right here. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it. So first off, with the box, we have a new sticker on the front right here. We got a little scan code on here now. I guess this is the new thing for authenticity. I know that they've been doing all the boxes like this now, but it's still your standard 1985 Nike box. Now, as far as the shoe, there's been a lot of hype on the quality of this sneaker. Quality is A1. I don't know about a lot of people's pairs. Some people were getting smooth leather on half, tumbled on half, but my pair, it's like it's tumbled all around. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it. So you got the you have the Obsidian blue on your toe area, and that's one thing that I like about the design of this sneaker. It's like a UNC colorway, but it's very similar to the black toes where you would have the red on the back and then the black on the front. So it's the blue on the front, that's the navy blue, and then the baby blue on the back. So you got your navy blue toe front area with your sail white toe box, as well as the white sail on the tongue with the blue Nike Air on the top tab. On the side, you got your Obsidian Nike check, and the side panel is also sail. And then when you come around to the back, you have the UNC blue on the back tab, with also a nice tumbled leather on the side and on the back too. Then you got your bottom with the sail on the bottom and your Obsidian bottom. These shoes came with baby blue and Obsidian laces. Those are the only two laces that you get with them. But overall, like I said, quality on this sneaker is ridiculous. It's up there. Previously seeing shattered backboards before and black toes, I would say that this is up there with the black toes. Maybe even better than the black toes as far as quality. Like I said, on my pair that I got, it's tumbled all over the side, the toe box, the back panel, everything's tumbled on mine. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the sneaker because I was able to get my hands on a pair. Luckily, didn't have to pay resale for them. Was able to catch one of those restocks. This has been another episode of Shoeflytv. Please do not forget, like, subscribe, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also check us out on IG, Shoeflytv. This has been another episode. It's your boy T. Thank you so much. We out.